Are you looking for ways to free up more time in your day? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use artificial intelligence tools to automate your daily tasks, so you can focus on what really matters. Let's dive into the top AI tools that can handle everything from managing your emails to organizing your to-do lists. One of the most versatile automation tools is Zapier, which connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive tasks. Whether it's moving data between apps or setting up automatic workflows, Zapier makes it all happen seamlessly. You can start automating with Zapier today to save time on routine tasks. Another great option is IFTTT, short for If This Then That. It allows you to create simple, automated tasks between different services. For example, you can set it up to automatically save email attachments to cloud storage or post to social media on a schedule. Explore what IFTTT can automate for you and simplify your daily processes. For those using Microsoft products, Microsoft Power Automate is a must. It enables you to create automated workflows for your business apps and services, making it particularly useful for managing large volumes of data and routine processes in the workplace. Give Power Automate a try to streamline your workflows. When it comes to managing your emails, SaneBox uses artificial intelligence to declutter your inbox by automatically filtering out unimportant emails. It also sends reminders for follow-ups, helping you stay organized. Try SaneBox for better email management. For task management, Todoist with AI helps you prioritize tasks and automatically schedule them based on urgency and the time you have available. Todoist can make your day much more productive by taking care of scheduling tasks for you. Another tool that simplifies a common daily task is Calendly. Calendly is a great replacement for meeting scheduling. It automates your calendar by allowing others to book meetings with you based on your availability. This eliminates the need for back-and-forth emails to find a suitable time. Consider trying Calendly for smooth and automatic scheduling. Grammarly is a tool that not only helps you write better but also speeds up the process by automating grammar checks, tone adjustments, and even suggesting alternative phrasing. Save time on writing tasks by using Grammarly to polish your communication. For transcribing meetings or lectures, Otter.ai automates note-taking by transcribing conversations in real time. It's perfect for anyone who wants to focus on the discussion rather than taking manual notes. Check out Otter.ai for effortless transcription. To improve focus, Rescue Time analyzes how you spend your time and offers AI-driven insights, suggesting ways to eliminate distractions. It can even automatically block distracting websites or apps during focus times, helping you reclaim valuable hours. Lastly, Trello's Butler automation tool helps manage your projects by automating tasks like setting reminders and moving cards based on your workflow. This tool makes team collaboration more efficient and helps you automate routine project management tasks. If this video helped you discover new ways to automate your tasks, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips using artificial intelligence. Links to all the tools mentioned are in the description below. Let me know in the comments which automation tool you're excited to try.